Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating obvious CPU/GPU competition. Open Task Manager and close heavy background apps. This frees cycles for Valorant. Next, switch your power plan to high performance so the CPU and GPU run at full clocks. Once done, install the latest GPU driver and Windows updates. Outdated drivers cause micro stutters. Make sure to reboot after drivers install. These steps give immediate, measurable frame stability and set the stage for deeper game-side optimizations. You now focus on in-game and OS-level settings that control frame flow. In Valorant, choose full screen and match your monitor refresh rate. Full screen reduces input lag and stutter. Turn off VSync, enable reduced buffering, and keep render quality at 100% so the renderer stays consistent. In Task Manager, set Riot Client and Valorant Process priority to high, but avoid real-time. Once these are set, you'll see fewer frame drops because the game gets consistent CPU/GPU time slices. Finish by minimizing software interference and verifying hardware. Enable Windows Game Mode or a lightweight game booster, but disable overlays like Discord or GeForce if they cause frame hitching. If stutter persists, perform a clean boot to isolate conflicting services and drivers. Also check CPU/GPU temps and thermal throttling. Overheating causes intermittent drops. As a last step, reset the GPU and try a lower resolution to confirm whether GPU power is the bottleneck. If not,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.